Hi, Desiree at Love That Door, visiting our Frisco showroom, answering some of your most frequently asked questions. This question is a good one. How do I get my iron door to be more energy efficient? That's really not on you. It's really going to be on who the manufacturer is. Who are you going to have make your iron door? Because the materials they are using is incredibly important. The energy efficiency of an iron door really starts with two main things: what's inside it and the glass type. Your glass type is incredibly important because that's where heat is going to be either collecting or transferring with cold temperatures or hot temperatures. If it's not a quality glass, if it's not well insulated or has the proper weather stripping around it. Here at Love That Door, we use a glass that is 5/8 of an inch from pane to pane. It is tempered. It has an argon gas in the center that really helps with moderating the temperature transference. And then it also has a low E film pane to pane, which means that film is on both panes of glass. That helps deter any UV rays from infiltrating your home and affecting any rugs or furniture or things of that nature. So that's one aspect of your insulation. The second is what's inside the slab. We use a closed cell polyurethane foam that's injected all the way through any parts of the metal. Also in the frame, that's also going to have that closed cell polyurethane insulation, which helps with as a thermal break, which means that heat or cold is going to touch one side of the door, and that foam is just going to absorb that temperature before it passes through to the other side. Typically, you're also going to have a weather stripping that is around the door. We use a Q-Lon weather stripping all around the door, especially if it's a double door. The beauty of that double door is the double theatrical that has a Q-Lon weather stripping on both sides of the door that overhang each other that really create an airtight seal, so no dust, dirt, or debris are passing through to your home. Second is on the installation process. Here we left the trim off so that you can see exactly what's happening once behind the trim. So on one side, it looks perfect and pretty. This side, you can see we've installed this door utilizing two 2x4s, but this foam here is a closed cell polyurethane foam as well that gets injected through to seal your door all the way around to make sure that no temperature transfers are coming into your home. Those are all really important things. So it's not just the product, but it's also the installation. Who and how are they installing your iron door? All of those little details matter, really makes a difference in how your home is receiving those temperatures and energy efficiency.